Good morning, children of K-Tech High School and Junior College. Yes, beautifuls, how are you all after test? Right? Tired. Yeah, but your Nafisa teacher is going to take a very light session today. It's not tiring. In fact, we are going to play, learn, and you are going to grow with me. So, are you all ready to play, learn, and growing with me together? Let's get started, children. We'll be doing Poetry 2.1 written by Rabindranath Tagore. It's a beautiful poem like you all children. You all know that? It's a wonderful poem. Vocation from your Bal Bharti, page number 26. I hope you all have the books in front of you. Yes. So, it's a child's imagination where a child wants to become a gardener, bangle seller, and a watchman. Now, children, this is a small child's mind. When he goes to school early in the morning, he sees hawker. So he wishes to become a hawker. While returning home, he sees a gardener digging and spoiling his clothes, playing with mud. So he wants to become a gardener. At night, when he is not sleeping and he is seeing through the window, he sees a watchman walking down the lane. So he wishes to be. And he loves that because he feels that these people are doing everything what they want. There is nobody to stop them, scold them, put discipline in them. So he wishes to be all this, children. But this child is unaware of difficulties these people face to earn their living. Yes, so vocation is what? An occupation which you pursue to earn your living. Now you got what is the meaning of vocation? Now let's get started. Before I do this poetry, which is a very beautiful poem in a story form, and as you know, you all, that your Nafisa teacher always tells you all the lesson in a story form. So you will really enjoy this lesson with me. In fact, a poem with me. Now, before that, you all know in your exercise or in textbook, we have warming up exercise. So we will do that. Now, pick out the words that refer to means of living and fill in the verb. Now, these are means of living. What do people do to earn bread and butter? Means of living means to earn. They take up a business, they take vocation, profession, occupation, job, employment, career. So from there there are many things. You have to fill in this blank. Recreation, you cannot earn through that recreation. You cannot earn by passing time. So that are incorrect words. You have to pick up the correct word and fill in the verb. Is that okay, children? Now we'll come to the second question. What does profession means? Profession means a body of people in a learned occupation. In dictionary you have bigger meanings, but I have shortened up for you all. What does vocation means? It's a particular occupation which a person is trained for. Like I am a teacher, I want to be a teacher. It's a profession. I am trained teacher to teach children how to handle children, all this. Business, your father is a businessman. So it is again, he provides goods and services, he sells goods, and that is also a means of living. Occupation is again person's occupation. That means the work the person does, a trade or whatever is called occupation. Now question number 3 is, when the word is formed from a sound associated with it, it is called onomatopoetic word. Onomatopoetic word means that creates a sound in your mind. Suppose if I say bang, banging of a bench. Tring, tring. It's a ringing of a telephone, right? And ding dong, bell. So, in that way, a sound, when I speak certain words, it creates a sound or it creates a picture of a sound, that is, you recognize that sound is of what? Ting tong. That is what? Something ting tong. Mummy, somebody has a door. Somebody is ringing, right? So these words create sound, picture of a sound in your mind. There are few, you have to write other few, right? And that is onomatopoeia. We have done this figure of speech, like barking of a dog, roaring of lion, banging of a bench, knock at the door, rustle of leaves, and smash is an unpleasant sound. Whisper, when you whisper in your friend's ears, that is all sound. When I say don't whisper, so whisper, that picture is formed in your mind. That is talking very softly in your friend's ears. Now let's get started with something about the poet. Now, do you all know that this Rabindranath Tagore has written the poem Vocation? It's a beautiful poem, and so we must know something about the poet. So he was a very good, profound, versatile writer and playwright. He has written stories, he has composed songs. So, and I tell you, he was an avid reader from child. He loved reading from his childhood. He was born on 7th May 1861 in Kolkata, and he died on 7th August 1941. Occupation, he was a poet, a composer, and he has written songs of Gitanjali, a book on Gitanjali. Jana Gana Mana is written by Rabindranath Tagore, children. So, and he has won a Nobel Prize for writing Gitanjali. And all his work were written in Bengali, and it was translated in English later on. Now this Rabindranath Tagore, he has written a poem, Vocation. He is seeing the world with child's eye, innocence. And when he leaves, that is from when the child leaves the school and returns home, he watches hawkers, gardener, and watchman. So he's attracted to them and he wishes to become like them. Now let's read a poetry with me. Are you all ready to read a poetry with me? When a gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to the school by our lane, every day I meet a hawker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending by my day in a road crying, bangles, crystal bangles. When at 4 in afternoon I come back from school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his bed. He soils his clothes and dust. Nobody takes him to task. If he gets baked in the sun and gets wet, I wish I were a gardener digging away at a garden, with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and a street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with a shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman, walking the streets all night, chasing the shadow with my lantern. Rabindranath. Yes, children? Now, let's start. Vocation. Paragraph wise, we will do it. When a sounds 10 in the morning, I walk to school by a lane. Every day I meet a hawker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. Now, what is happening? The child is small. He says, whenever I go to school early in the morning at 10 o'clock, it could be a gong is a sound made by a bell or a clock. He says, I have to run to the school. And on the way, I see a hawker selling bangles, crystal bangles, shouting. There is nothing to hurry, and he is not at all in hurry. The child is running to school, and this bangle seller is not at all in hurry. There is no need, there is no road he must take, no place he must go. So time when he must come, and no time when he must come home. He doesn't have he doesn't know where he has to go. He just goes anywhere where he like, whenever he wants, and the time to return home is also not fixed. So the child wishes that if I were a hawker, that means I don't have to be disciplined, or I don't need to be disciplined. I should go wherever I want, whenever I want, and there should nobody to ask me. So he wishes to be like a hawker. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road, crying, bangles, crystal bangles. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school. Now he's telling, when I come back from the school, I can see through the gates that house, the hard gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. Means he sees a gardener digging soil, playing. He feels that he is playing with a spade and he is dirtying the clothes. So nobody scolds him. But why he is saying? Because whenever his clothes are dirty, the mother scolds. So he wants to be a gardener because he doesn't want anybody to scold him if he spoils his clothes or if he is out in sun playing long, sweating. If his clothes and dust, nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. What happens? The child is not sleepy and he's seeing through the window. I see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant, one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern, walks with his shadow at his side, and he never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman. Now the child wishes to be a watchman because today he is not sleepy. So he wants to become a watchman, roam around, lonely in a dark street, lonely like with a lantern. And he is fascinated when he is swinging the lantern and he feels that the shadow is also walking with the watchman. Actually, the shadow is formed by the lantern. So it's a small child's imagination, children. Now, paraphrase of a poem. It's a small summary. In this poem, the child speaks about his wishes and attraction. It shows the state of a wavering mind of a child. But innocent mind, the poem is about how a child gets attracted to the ways of people around him, finds different curiosities and attraction in their lives. He is not aware of the tough routine they have to go through. It also shows innocence and lack of worldly sense. He doesn't have that worldly sense. He is just thinking it is really very, very easy. Right? He is not seeing that these people face many difficulties when they are working like this to earn their living. Now paraphrase, it's according to the paragraph. Paraphrase is explanation of a para. When the gong sounds 10 in the first part of the day, he goes to his school and he sees vendor crying. Vendor means hawker crying, bangles, precious stone bangles, and he wishes to become a peddler or a vendor or a hawker and move freely anywhere just like him. Nobody to stop him. At 4 in the evening, when he returns from school at the same time, he sees a gardener digging. And he wants to be a gardener. He wishes to play with the dust and make his clothes dirty. He loves that. But if he does, his parents scold. So he wishes that if I were a gardener, nobody would scold me. At a point when the night falls, his mom sends him to bed. Go to bed. Tomorrow is school time. Early morning you have to get up. And that particular day the child is not sleepy. So he sees through his open window a watchman. And he is fascinated. He wishes to be a watchman so that he could also move here and there in the streets at night freely without anyone shouting and telling him to go to bed. Yes, children? So this is a small child's imagination. Now with that, children, I finished the poem. I hope you all enjoyed this poem. You all are also very innocent, right? Like there is many things you want to do in life. But for that, you really have to work hard to fulfill all your dreams, right, children? So, now in the next video, I'll be giving you little exercise for your fingers. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you, children. Being patient with me, and I would say playing, learning, and growing together with me. Yes? Okay. Have a nice day, children.